Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Fazle Rabbi and today we are driving into something every Mac user should know about, home-brew. Whether you are a developer or just someone who wants to more control over your Mac operating system, stick around because I am going to explain what is home-brew and show you exactly how to install it, and if you are facing any issues on installation, and I will give you the exact path how can you solve the issues. Okay, so what exactly is homebrew? In simple term, homebrew is a free open source package manager for Mac এবং Linux. Think of it an app store for your terminal where you can install, update and manage software directly from your command line. Homebrew makes it super easy to install all those tools and applications that you aren't available in Mac App Store, like Python, Node.js or Git. Instead of manually downloading and configuring software, you can do it all with just few simple commands. So if you are looking to streamline your workflow or want to access latest developer tools, homebrew is absolutely must. Alright, now that you know what is homebrew, let's get started to install in your Mac. The installation process pretty straightforward, but let's go through step by step. First of all, you have to go to on your browser, which will be Safari or Chrome browser. I'm going to browser, search on your search box homebrew. Right, you will see the first link in here. This is the official homebrew website. You will see the one thing, you will see that this is the command line and some command for installation of homebrew. And open your terminal and click on it. If you install, okay, let me clean the terminal, clear, then pasting that code, and you will see that the system asking for password. I am giving the password, and after putting password, they are asking for return to or enter to continue or any other button to abort. If you want to install that, then just click on enter. Then homebrew started to installing on your system. If it will still need any updates, it will updating your homebrew if you installed before, and if you not installed before, then it will not update. Okay, this is just installed the homebrew. Some difficulties you will face here, I will explain it later. Okay, then you can just see if homebrew is installed or not. Here you can see that homebrew is installed because the command is okay. If you will fetch an issues like homebrew not found, I am going to giving an error like homebrew not found, like that. If you fetch on a terminal, or sometimes terminal not can install the homebrew, then what can you do? You can go to the latest homebrew GitHub release pages. You can click on this homebrew latest GitHub release, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that there is a 3 options, so to source code and 3 actual package. You can see that .pkg. You can just download this package, click on it, and this will be download here. After that, you can just install this package similar to any application you install in your computer. If I going to this and home-brew, I think installed it before. Yeah, this is installed before, and I am just giving you the sample. If you click on it after the installation of home-brew, then click on continue and click on agree, install, and it's asking for password, and you can see that installation process is going on, and you can close it. Okay, after that I am giving you some. Then if you go to terminal and just to home-brew, then you find the home-brew. If still you facing issues not found the home-brew, then you will put some code like here. You can see that I will put it on description box. Copy that and put on your terminal, then enter it on the terminal. Then you will just put home-brew like that, then you will see that, and after that you can see anything in here. You can install any app by home-brew. That's it for the video, and I will catch you in the next video.